Alright, we made it to Tivoli. Alright, it's day 3 in Rome, our last day of our little trip through Europe. We're gonna go to Tivoli. I think we finished Rome. The pictures look really good. It looks actually too good to be true, so we'll see if it's really as good as it seems. Our train to Tivoli, there's a problem, so we have to take the bus. But one of the reasons I wanted to go to Tivoli by train is because the view in the train is really beautiful. So I'm super bummed out. Alright, we made it to Tivoli with a stupid bus with stupid comfortable seats. But it's very cozy. I'll try to get over my angry feeling of not seeing the train view and enjoy my time here. Looks good so far. Let's see what else Tivoli has to offer. We arrived at our first stop, Villa Gregoriana. It's supposed to be a nice place with a lot of nice natural views. Let's go, my friend. First impressions so far, very beautiful, very different from Rome. This is the real Italy. Wow, this trip to Tivoli is totally worth it, even with the stupid bus rides. Absolutely wonderful here. So there's a massive waterfall. I don't think it's a natural waterfall, but it's still really cool. Ooh, very scary. Wow. So cool. This place looks straight out of a video game. It reminds me of the Elder Scrolls Skyrim, one of the dungeons. Or maybe one of the dungeons in The Legend of Zelda. Really cool, and there's nobody here. Makes it a little bit scary. So that's called the Mermaid's Cave. So beautiful. One of the most beautiful things I might have seen ever. We don't have caves in the Netherlands or waterfalls. Yeah, this whole place is so beautiful. So that was an absolutely epic hike with a lot of beautiful views, and it ends at this other epic building. And then here is the ravine that we just walked through. Very nice views, but very tiring. We are super hungry. We're gonna find something to eat. We are in the streets of Tivoli. I think you can call this the real Italy. Rome is just a big city, just as Amsterdam looks completely different from the rest of the Netherlands. Rome is probably also different from the real Italy. Looks very cozy. We just got some basic pizza, I don't know why, but Tivoli is completely dead. All the shops are closed, so just some plain old pizza. After our mediocre pizza, we want to treat ourselves, so we got some gelato, whipped cream, and ice cream. Oh, so chocolatey. It's good. Doesn't taste artificial. Nice. Our next spot is Villa d'Est. Not sure how to pronounce that. It's a big mansion or a palace, not sure what you call it. And it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And in the pictures it looked absolutely amazing. Unfortunately it's getting a bit cloudy, it might rain a tiny bit, but let's hope that everything still looks as beautiful as in the pictures that I saw. So it absolutely started pouring down. I hope it stops soon, so I want to see the rest of this place. And it's closing soon. I paid big money for this. Yeah, this place is amazing. Villa d'Este, or whatever it's called. Too bad it was raining and we're in a hurry, otherwise you could make a lovely little stroll here. But I'm still glad we saw this place and I can really recommend to come here. There's a really magical, kind of secret atmosphere to this place. Tivoli has so many areas that look straight out of a game. Is this where I saved my game? Saved my game statue? Sure looks like it. Alright, that's it for our Tivoli trip. It was really nice, a lot of nice natural places. And it's also the end of our trip through Europe. This was our last day in Rome, unfortunately. And Mariko has to go back to Japan soon. But I want to make videos in Japan. As soon as Japan opens its borders, I want to go there and make some nice Japan videos. That's why this channel is called Kokoro Kompass after all. So thanks for watching all the videos in Europe. And I hope you'll see us in the next video too. Bye!